at me. Now I can see, yes, I can see. You took your love and ran away from me. You're gone and now you're back. What do you want from me? Standing there, please don't cry over me. After all, you never cried for me before. Why start now? Isn't it a little late for that now, girl? Don't go feeling sorry for yourself. Remember, I loved you. I loved you. I never knew the games we played had such a lasting grip upon the plans we'd made. I was busy laughing, waiting for the day. Now time is gone and there is nothing left to say. Standing there, please don't cry over me. After all, you never cried for me